There are the police checking out a boater. Where did mine go? It's so bright out here, I can't see the screen. Another day kayaking on Lake Wylie. Here comes Michael. Michael 2 cents. Police.
Sell everything you got, David. Buy one of these places.
Shit. Oh, excuse me. I'd go to North Dakota or Alaska.
I got lakes in North Dakota?
Yeah, they got a bunch of lakes. And I already got a farm in Goodrich and a house in Lemoore and a couple of tracts of hunting and fishing land on the rivers.
Hunt pheasant?
Huh?
You ever hunt pheasant?
No, I've seen them.
Nebraska, North Dakota, South Dakota, that's prime pheasant land.
Oh yeah, I've seen them out there. It just gets too damn cold for a South Carolina swamp boy out there in the wintertime now.
Well, yeah, maybe I go out in the second or third week of the season, but that's a long drive.
Yeah, I think it's like 1,700 and something miles one way to my house out there. I can drive it straight through, but if you just drive all day and take a motel, it'll take you 2.5 days.
Woo! Long way to go.
I've driven straight through several times. I see the sun come up and go down twice.
We used to go to Iowa and pheasant hunt when we lived in Illinois, you know. Did some Illinois pheasant hunting. But if you want to hunt pheasant, it's best to have a good dog.
Well, let's ride out to Dakotas. I got a place to stay when we get there. All I do is call the power company. The power company is Ottertail, is the name of it.
Yeah.
Say, turn my power on, and then go down in the basement, hook the well up, and she's ready to go.
A hell of a place to think about retiring.
Well,
It's ass deep to a camel.
I was gonna, you know, I got federal firearm license. I was gonna use that out there, transfer my environmental, my police, all that. Use it somehow. I could be the sheriff, to run the wastewater plant and sell guns, and to be a judge. You didn't like that house over there for sale?
Oh, I like them all, just don't want to spend the money.
It's only money.
Good point. Only money.
Only money. It's only money. We only go around once. This train only goes one way.